It's nice.
No, in fact, I can give the kind of press release the press statement from here itself. So we are here as part of our cabinet retreat in Sage Village, and we have come to see this beautiful living root bridge, which has been constructed by the headman out here since he was 10 years old. And it has taken more than 40 years for this to take shape of what we are seeing right now. 50 years plus it has taken. And the work is still going on. And I think if you can see on top, the second phase or the second level of a natural skywalk, I should say, is also being constructed. And this is really a testament of the knowledge that has been passed on from generations and the tradition that has been followed, and this reflective of the belief of the people to sustain and maintain our environment. And this is, I think, one of the best examples of bringing in tradition, sustainability, art and technology all together. As mentioned, that this is not constructing a bridge, but this is actually weaving a bridge. And it's amazing to see that there are bridges like these which are 300 years old. And it is a great experience for all of us as cabinet ministers and officials to be here today. And I really would like to thank the village headmen and all the villagers out here for having organized this wonderful program for us. And we are also happy to announce that we will be providing sufficient infrastructure in terms of road connectivity and tourism development, so that we are able to promote this culture and this entire place in a way that the tourists from all over the country and the world can experience the true values and nature and this experience of this village as well as of Meghalaya State. So once again, I thank all of you for organizing this wonderful program. Thank you very much.
Let them walk.
You want to ask anything? Or you're not in the mood to ask?
No.
I think everybody is.
I think it's too early for them to ask. Sorry?
The natural
of the Living Root Bridge?
not only this, the entire the state.
So for Living Root Bridge, it's already going on. I think, I don't know if you're aware of this or not, but there's already proper research and proper mapping has been done, and the entire thing is being studied. But apart from this aspect also, other things also will be looked into.
So what about the heritage status, UNESCO? There was some attempt.
Yes, it is absolutely. We're still attempting it, but as you are aware that from the country, there's only one proposal that is accepted or is sent every year. So doesn't happen for 5-6 locations. So only one location for the entire country. So therefore, it's very competitive. But we have written to the Honorable Prime Minister. We've written to the Art and Culture Minister and the concerned departments to ensure that we push the Living Root Bridge as a UNESCO heritage site. So the efforts are on, but really it's not something that is completely in our hands. But we are really hopeful that this will come through, and if it does, it will be a great thing for all of us.
Do we have any competitor elsewhere in the world? The same similar structures?
As far as I know, I'm not very sure, but as far as my knowledge goes, I don't think there's any other competitor as such, or any kind of place where this kind of a Living Root Bridge exists. So I think, yes, this is very unique to this region and to our state.
So I was telling him to have it documented.
Yeah.
When is the right time to twirl or
We have started this.
Documentation.
Last time we had done this video. Yeah, it is done. It's already, but this specific location has not been. But in general, the whole process of living root bridge, how it's done, all that has been documented. It's already done, and that's why we had to send it to the UNESCO, World Heritage Site, the application or whatever you call it, that requires us to do all of that.
Very good.
So, the middle of the skywalk is that also.
Okay.
You can see that is a developing bridge. They have deliberately put these logs to carve it like that. So in maybe 20, 30 years, that will also be like a skywalk.
This is also been made, no? You can walk there.
No, we should. Yeah, absolutely should not, because the whole point is that, I mean, and even if you allow, we should charge hefty amount for experiential. Yeah. If whoever wants to walk, please walk. But
Assignment to weave this bridge, but with all the love, the dedication, Pa has
of course, whatever the tourism infrastructure is required, we will ask the tourism director, Cyril. Yeah. So they will look into the aspect of whatever is required to develop. We'll definitely support the tourism development out here. And regarding the new roads also, it'll be not possible for me to exactly say what the process, in the sense that when we'll be able to do it, but we'll immediately ask PWD department to come in and survey the whole place. And once we get the information, then we will act on it at the earliest.
the Chief Minister CM Wong ba ulayo ilupa ya kata kancing dawa jong kalenti yad ka jongi kakapor kabangiyad dakikali ki jongi hado kate kacaka baham siar banya dekat bayapi ai kasurok pat penbahano ya kate kasurok.
And you can also inform them that already we have started the process of building the school buildings for all government LP schools. So there is definitely the government LP school out here. A new building will be given to them.
Kiway ki jak.
Ujung na ng kaslong yun ka operating existing road. Ya ka la kanong kita ka kasurok mas niyo. Ang tang ito ba school building. Number 3 to promote tourism.